Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here is Skill Fade. Today I'm gonna show you full guide how to do a mid skin fade. Before we started, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Let's go. So the first step, I'm using the clipper with guard number 1.5 and the lever is 3/4 open. As you're watching, and here is the back, and I'm cutting all around to define where I'm going to put the fade on it. So the second step, I'm using the clipper without guard and the lever 3/4 open all the way side to side. Just make sure you're cutting very well. And here is the left side. Just make sure the both sides you cut at the same level, not up and down. So the third step is using guard number 1 and the lever still is 3/4 open. And just make sure you're not cutting off the guard 1.5. Okay guys, please like this video if you're watching until here. So the next step, I'm showing you with my fingers. I changed my guard, so now I'm using a guard 0.5 and the lever is 3/4 open. I'm not cutting off higher. I'm just fading the dotted line that I show you at the beginning. You can see I'm not cutting. I don't go high, just stay in that line. So the next step, now I'm using the trimmer for the button. And make sure you cut all the way very clean and sharp. So the next step is to cutting these two sides. I'm using the overcomb technique with machine clipper. So look at the comb and how I hold the comb. So you have to hold the comb to the out, not to the inside. Now here I'm showing you how to hold the comb, and here's the back side. And here is the left side. So the next step is using again guard number 1.5 but the difference is the lever is 2-4 open, and you can see the dark part is fading. Now I show you. You can see that this area is very dark, and the both sides. And you can see that at this part the hair capacity is a lot, so just need to cut those areas. So we go to the next step. Using the clipper, the lever is 3-4 open, and just using the corner of blade, just fading the trimmer line. You can see how I use the machine, just corner of blade, not full blade. I'm just using corner of machine. And you can see the trimmer line is fading. And you cannot see any more line. And you can see this, my boy has lots of bone at the back of his head, so the back of his head is the hardest part for doing fade. So here the lever is still 2-4 open, and using the corner of machine you can see that part is fading. So already I fade the left side, so here is the right side. So I back to guard number 1. I'm using this guard number 1 again, and you can see those area looks very dark, so I'm just fading those part section. No need all the parts, all the side. Now I open the lever 3-4 open, again back to the return to the 2-4 open. I'm showing you, so now it's full open. As much as you go higher, the lever open completely, and as much you come down close to the trimmer, the lever must be closed. So you can see, so I'm gonna fade that part. It looks very dark than other parts. So using guard 0.5. So as I told you, so it's down, that means I have to use the small guard. So you can see the previous section that I show you, it was dark, now it's faded, and you can see it's light. So now I'm using the shaver for the button. Just make sure you shave it very well. And now I'm show you for this one. As I told you, you can see that this guy has lots of bone and lots of people at the back side of their hair. we got lots of bones, and the back of head is the hardest part to do in fade. So because it's very deep, some part is very deep, so you have to work on it and it takes time. So you can see now I'm using the clipper, no guards on the machine. And I'm playing with the lever. I open it, close it. And you have to do the same. So you can see, I told you, if you go higher, you have to open the lever completely. If you cutting on the bottom and you get close to the button, you have to close the lever. So you can see I'm cutting almost the top of the side, but the lever is completely open. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment. So the next step is using the thinning scissors for the edges, just a little bit as I show you with my fingers, just cutting the edges. So we're almost done. Now I'm lining up. And the other side. So guys, using blade, it makes the lining very fresh, clean and sharp. And it shows your haircut more perfect and professional. So already I washed his hair and now I dry his hair for styling. So here I'm using some clay. So now I'm gonna style his hair, the messy hairstyle. You just look at it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button if you are new here, like this video and comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.